Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick install on the gorgeous, the beautiful Caroline. She's my model today and I'm going to be showing you how I installed this hair on her. All the details of the hair, everything is going to be in this video, so let's get into it. First off, the hair is from Beaufox hair. I don't know if I got that pronunciation right, but yeah, this is how the hair came in before I did anything to it. It came with 4 combs in it. It's a 360 frontal. So I first of all went in to bleach the hair. I like to use a knife, a cutlery, to bleach my frontal because, like, just imagine that you're spreading butter on a slice of bread. That's what you want. So I didn't speed this part so that you guys can see how I take my time with it and how I'm being very careful, because you don't want the bleach to seep through the lace. You now get golden yellowy roots and you don't want that. So yeah, I decided to fast forward it a bit, so just watch. It's self-explanatory, guys. So after bleaching it, I washed the hair and now it's time to install. And there's our gorgeous model, Caroline. So I'm doing the stocking cap method. I'm just putting the stocking cap on her head. But before I put it completely, I went into the black got2b gel to take our front hair, the edges, to slick it back before I put the cap on. So now I'm putting the cap on. You guys I have a dedicated bald cap method tutorial on my channel. I'm going to link that, so in case you don't really understand how I'm doing it, it's very dedicated. I'm just using the got2b spray, the got2b freeze spray to spray it on. Then when it dries, I'll cut out the excess lace, cut off the excess stocking cap. So to get the hair to match Caroline's skin color, I went into the Wig Guru's lace tint in the shade Caramel Frappe. So I pretty much just sprayed it on it, then I used the hairdryer to dry it until it was dry. So yeah, now I'm cutting off the excess stocking cap like I said earlier. I like to use the nude cap on clients because I can use their foundation shade to match it, like I'm doing right now. I just took a liquid foundation and I'm matching it to her skin tone. This session with Caroline was so much fun, like you can tell already. So right now I've already put the wig on her head and I'm just using a small manicure scissors. Oh, I didn't mention, guys, I actually plucked the frontal off camera. I'm going to link my frontal plucking tutorial in my description box down below. So you want to cut the excess lace in a zigzag motion like I'm doing right now. So after cutting off the excess lace, I went into the Bold Hold Active. This is my favorite lace glue to use. It's so much easier than any other one I've tried. So I just used only one coat of the lace glue. Spread it. You can spread it whatever you like, a spatula, whatever. So I just spread it with a hair clip actually. Then I went into a blow dryer to dry it until it was clear. Then now I'm placing it onto the lace glue. So you see how I'm placing it on it. I'll place it on it, then I will go into a comb, a tail comb. So now I'm using the tail comb to brush the hair into the lace glue to help it melt better. Right now I'm just taking out some hair in front that I'm going to be using for the baby hairs. Then I'm going to go into blade and cut it to my desired length. Next thing I'm doing right now is just tying it down with a scarf to help it melt better into her skin. Then I left it for like 20 minutes. So while I was waiting, I just went into a spray bottle. I put water and Hawaii Sky, mixed it together. You can use water and leave-in conditioner, but I used water and Hawaii Sky. So I'm just spraying that mixture onto the hair quite generously. So now I've taken off the scarf and I'm just parting it because she wanted the side parts, which I'm doing right now. Then I went into an iron to flatten that part very well. And I also went into a hot comb. So now I'm using the black Got2b gel to do my baby hairs like so. I told you guys this girl is crazy. I'm going to leave all her social media handles in the description box down below, and I'm going to leave all the details of this gorgeous hair that she's flaunting for you guys to see right now. Hey gorgeous, hi honey, you know you a badass bitch. So I'm going to leave all the details of the hair from Beaufox. Everything's going to be in my description box. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.